Hello guys, this is Ray once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about what WordPress plan do I have. So now if you're using the WordPress.com version instead of the WordPress.org, you might want to know the plan you have, so you could maybe upgrade or maybe you want to downgrade depending on what you're trying to do. So all you just need to do is to go to the WordPress.com website. Then when you're there, you log into your dashboard, then go to the left side navigation. So let's check it. Let's go to WordPress.com. We created an account the other time and we set up a website. So we're gonna go ahead and log into that account. I think we used this email to log in that time. Continue. Okay, so this is it. So this is the site. So we click this can show you what plan you're using. You see it's already showing the free plan here. Upgrade. It's already showing free. So basically we're using the free plan here. So if you click on plans, you'll be able to see so your plan currently is a free plan with a 1 gig storage, and you can easily upgrade to the starter, the explorer, or the creator plan of the WordPress.com hosted website. So guys, that's how to check the current plan you're using on WordPress.com, and that will be all for now in this video. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.